Where are we here? Sandy Hill?
Sandy Hill Farm. They were much more polite to the news program.
Yeah.
Then people come, they're like, wah, wah.
This way! Pull your car in this way!
Idiot,
What are you doing?
what's your problem? Stupid or something? You don't understand what I'm telling you?
Oh well. Probably deals with people all day long.
Yeah,
Pulling
if
in.
his directions were marked there, it would be a lot easier to understand.
Get your porta potties here.
That's a nightmare.
Sandy Hill in
I
Elliott,
don't need to pee.
Maine.
Follow us on
Oh,
social.
look, they got a big old screen there. That's what it looks like.
The first time.
They got sunflowers.
Thanks for coming.
Concessions after
Look, there's
check-in.
bees.
Oh yeah, the little bees.
Some aren't lit up. We got covered with the snow.
Winter wonders.
Yeah. I got 2 pairs of gloves.
You are
Double
set.
with my pants. But the only thing I feel cold is in my legs.
Yeah.
But it's not. If everything else is warm, it should be okay.
Yeah.
That's cool. I don't need to print it. Alright.
Yeah, see, they had a farm here and they decided to,
Do something
Do something
cool to make
ambitious.
some money.
yeah.
That's awesome.
Oh, it smells like a pine
Like pine,
forest.
doesn't
Yeah,
it?
it does.
Good. Too bad the kids didn't want to come with us.
Yeah.
They're missing out on life.
Oh, winter wonders. Look at the bees and the sunflowers.
Making me dream of spring and summer. Let's go through it so you can get a nice picture. Just think, Freddie. It's like Dorothy when she says, "There's no place like home. There's no place like home." We have to go. We have to go. It's going to be summer. It's going to be summer.
That beehive looks a little, looks like they need to do some more work on the beehive.
It's a lot of electricity. They must
Yeah.
have paid a company or something.
Yeah.
This would be crazy to do on your own. Reminds me of being at the zoo. The zoo lights.
Yeah, wow, look at them all.
Neat.
My. Quite ambitious.
It's nice that it's not too busy either.
Yeah.
You can actually enjoy it without too
Oh,
many.
you can't go that way?
It's blocked off. Maybe because you gotta follow the trail. Look for the workers. People say made some igloos, huh? Like ice castles.
The kids on the pebbles. Yeah.
Let's go through it.
Yeah.
You're so excited. Look, you can see the sunset still.
Yeah.
Normally I'd be scared walking through the forest.
Yeah, it's lit up like this. What is this? Tulips?
That's cute. In the little truck. I never get you. I want to see. Smile. No, that's weird.
Okay. I'm the creepy guy in the forest. Hey.
Don't smile. That looks like a Christmas tree.
I wonder where they order all this stuff. God, how they get
They
those
probably hire
lights way up in that
company,
tree
right?
like that.
that one company they hire. They probably have a cherry picker.
You think so?
Yeah, I bet.
She is bundled up.
The red tree. Was that supposed to be like icicles coming
I
down?
guess so. It needs way more. It needs more.
More what? Light?
More of those strings coming down.
Oh. The price on it. I didn't care.
It's pleasant.
Sticker. Don't forget to look up.
Yeah.
It's so cool.
It is. It's the rainbow tree.
It's different when you're here in person.
Whoa.
Isn't that cool?
That's pretty cool.
Look at the tree with the balls hanging.
You're saying that. Quit saying that.
What is it? I'm sorry, with the decorations hanging.
Yeah. What are they called?
Balls.
Ornaments. Oh, balls. That's pretty cool. They had more of those. Oh, that'd be cool.
Right?
It's quantity.
You going up in there?
Yeah.
Maybe go for a ride.
Ooh.
Where the air is rarefied. Once I get you up there,
Oh, wow.
I'll be holding you.
Cool.
Did you hear that guy?
What?
He's like, oh, we lost our place.
Oh, like 5 seconds. Come on.
And she was like, thanks for the help. And you could tell he does not want to be here.
Oh, that's sad.
I know. Yeah,
I love the pink one.
that was pretty.
And look at the blue one though.
Is it a real tree? What is that? How
No,
do they do
it's
that?
not real. It's a fake tree. Look. It's a fake tree.
Oh, it is.
You're funny.
What is going on?
You're like, wow, they're really good.
Yeah. I don't know they hate trees like that. Oh, these are all fake.
Yeah. Some are partly lit.
That's pretty. That's pretty cool.
This one's over partly.
Oh, that's broke.
Couldn't take it. I thought it was a bush.
Oh, they got lit up
Purpose.
bushes now.
I was like, look, this one's a bush.
The red one's pretty.
Pretty. It's like Valentine.
What?
Ooh. It's the 4th of July. What did that sign say?
Oh,
Detected? I want to see. Dedicated to all who serve. I thought it was like a sign.
dedicated to all who serve.
I thought it was a sign like something else. My bad.
Yeah, they really went high here.
Well, it was a nightmare porta potty. Hope you don't have to go to the bathroom this time.
The temperature really dropped, didn't it?
Yeah, it did.
Is this my present?
Present. So cute.
Very cute.
Made out of those like water things for the boat.
Yeah,
Mushroom.
I hope so.
So,
Maybe a shiitake mushroom. Oh, right by the water.
the lake of water.
It's probably a river or a lake. I can smell the porta potty.
You can? My nose is too cold.
Yeah, it is cold. My face is freezing. You can't get too hot. It's not cooling. It just means it's not hot.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it over. This reminds me of the ice castle,
Yeah,
right?
it does.
Unicorn? What is that?
It's a unicorn. I don't know what it is.
Antlers stuck in the tree.
I don't know what it is. Unicorns should go forward.
The horse with the party hat.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this. This is cool.
Oh yeah, little mushrooms, little fungus.
That's really cool.
There's a moose. Yeah.
Happy. Can we help you, old man?
Yeah. Almost bit it.
Because you're wearing sneakers. Where's your winter boot?
I don't know.
Your fingers cold?
I'm getting there.
Yeah. I'm wearing 2 pairs of gloves and the tips of my fingers are cold.
Getting a little nippy. Should have bought
like a
those
dog.
gloves at the trader post.
I knew we'd be thinking that. I'm so glad we have a heated vest.
Yeah.
Keeping my core warm. That's great. Thanks.
Uh-huh.
Nice to walk around in the winter.
Yeah. It's pretty. It's magical. I got snotsicles hanging. Yeah. It's very nice.
We should put this in our backyard.
Yeah. Every time we feel a little depressed, we'll go out and brighten up.
What?
Every time we feel depressed, we'll go outside and
Walk the
cheer up.
rainbow.
Yeah. It's a sleigh.
Sandy Hill. Cute. Cute. Those things you step on.
Yeah, see if they work.
I'm not gonna take a risk. It's risky.
Yeah.
I may be too old for that.
Pretty.
I'm gonna get tired of seeing just me.
I don't think so. Hey, look, a little polar bear. That's pretty cool.
Yeah. I like this color. This is my kitchen music when I'm cooking. I'm in France. I have no idea what she's saying, but it sounds beautiful.
Yeah, the French can make, they can be cursing at you. It sounds beautiful.
Tell me more.
It's those French men. Like, uh-huh.
The chef.
Well, I wasn't gay.
I'm feeding you garbage and you like it. Okay. Whatever you say.
Make a wish. You take a picture on the moon. See, they need a concession stand right here with some hot cocoa.
Right. Now's about the time you're ready for some
Yeah.
warm beverage. Like, I wasn't gonna get a cocoa, but at this point, I think I'm gonna get a cocoa.
warm up your hands. Oh, is this Cinderella coming up too?
Cinderella. Cinderella.
I like the little lights on the ground. It really adds to the
Yeah.
feel, like a mystical forest.
These little fairies. Here's just a girl in the dress.
It looks a little, little broad shoulders for a, doesn't it?
It's got tiny hands.
And a big chin.
It's pretty. Shut up. She's pretty.
I don't know.
It's like the Statue of Liberty.
Yeah. I'm getting a drag vibe. Well, I'm not saying anything. I'm just saying. It looks a little. It looks a little.
It's just a woman from a party country.
Very masculine model. Oh, magical. We're in the Christmas tree.
Water. This is the beginning.
Water. Who wants water? And freeze. I want some hot cocoa as well.
You do?
Well, that's what I would take rather than water. Down.
Oh, you musical over here. Thank you. Is it? We're at the end.
I think that's it.
That's all you can take with the cold. I'm actually not too bad.
Yeah. That's a pretty,
Yeah, I like it.
ambitious undertaking there. And that's it. They need a gift shop.
Yeah, we don't have a gift shop. Well, that's the end when you buy your nice hot cocoa.
Yeah.
And you walk through like a heated room when you go out.
I mean, they could put an ice castle too in here.
Yeah? They can make it even bigger. Huh?
Yeah. Got plenty of land.
Ice castle with the lights and stuff.
Uh-huh.
That'd be cool. A combo. Then you get more people.
Yeah. Interesting.
That was cool.
All right.
That was fun.
So this was Sandy Hill.
Sandy Hill Farms.
Oh. Sandy Hill Farms. It looks like a family-owned farm that they tried to make something bigger out of the land that they had. And they, how many years is this? Since 2020. They started in 2020, right?
I don't remember.
That's what they said on Chronicle.
Oh, right, because in COVID, they wanted people to be able to get out and like get some fresh air and get out of the house.
This is the
So
fifth
this was
year.
their idea of getting people out.
Yeah, fourth year, I guess. For 2020, 21, 22, 23, 24. Fifth year.
I thought it was fun. It was like doing the zoo lights, but it was all wintry and they had music. They did a good job. For a small farm, I thought it was really good.
Yeah, for a small farm, and you get your money's worth. What was it, 20 bucks a person?
Mm-hmm.
20 bucks a person. 40 bucks for two people.
And it was far enough out that it wasn't overly crowded. You got to really enjoy it. And it was a Saturday.
Yeah.
And it wasn't like super crowded or anything. It was really pleasant.
Well, which makes me nervous. Maybe because it's the end of the season. Maybe they were busier before Christmas.
Probably at Christmas time and stuff.
Yeah.
And it's cold. A lot of people don't want to go out. It's cold.
Yeah, it was cold. I just feel like it's a good start. It's a very good
Well, they
start.
just started.
Very interesting. I'd like to see.
There's still room to grow.
Yeah, there's room to grow.
Yeah, because they have a lot of land.
We're seeing.
Well, they're probably just testing it. You know, if it's worth it. Because they probably pay a company to come out and put all those lights up.
Yeah, they go up pretty.
So I'm sure that costs a lot of money. So they only have a budget for so much space.
Yeah.
But just like the zoo, as their budget gets bigger and bigger, they can start expanding.
Mm-hmm.
So I bet there's potential for that.
I think it's worth supporting if they keep working on it. Like maybe an ice castle or a snow fort.
Oh, right. We were saying the ice castles to go with something like that would be really fun. The kids would love
Yeah,
that.
maybe in the middle, like you just get a bulldozer and just bulldoze a huge pile of snow and then dig out like tunnels and stuff.
For the
But
kids
what
to
if
play.
what if it collapses though?
Well, that's why you do it. Like we went to the ice castles and they had like those.
Scaffolding.
Yeah, they had stuff to hold them up. So whoever invented those ice castle things, put those in addition with the lights. That would be awesome.
Yeah, snow forts, something. They need more concessions, like
Oh yeah, the hot cocoa. They need
Maybe
hot
like-
cocoa. It's like water.
maybe warming stations. Like
Yeah,
at
those
the-
people that were standing, the workers,
Yeah.
they had little heaters. I'm
Yeah,
like, we
little
should have more
propane
heaters
heaters.
for us to heat up as we go by.
Yeah, little warming stations along the path.
Yeah.
You gotta have a
A better bathroom. They should have those generator runs with the heat in it.
sleigh ride, maybe
Yeah.
around the outskirts of it.
Mm-hmm.
That would be awesome. That would really
Yeah.
increase. Maybe maybe a giant snow slide maybe not a giant one, but like you could snow bulldoze like a big pile of snow and then just spray it with water and it freezes like.
Well, that's like at the ice
like
castle.
they didn't
They
have
had a slide. Yes, they did. They had little slides.
Well, still a slide would be cool.
I say the sleigh ride would be cool, like a separate sleigh ride with different lights, and so you buy a ticket for that area.
Yeah, all that stuff. All good ideas.
Yeah.
Fun.
I recommend it. I thought it was a fun end to the night.
Yeah. It was nice.
Yeah, and I recommend it for families, kids. Just be careful walking. Can't get slippery in some spots.
Yeah. We need more sand on the.
It wasn't that bad.
Yeah, it was good. It was fun. What
What
do
do
you think?
you give it? Another 8? Should we just add it to the 8?
7.
A 7. Yeah,
Because it's got room to grow. I mean, it wasn't.
that's true.
It was good. It was good. It was fun. I think kids might enjoy it. Those long tunnels was really cool. Maybe a maze of lights. I haven't seen that where they have maybe long tunnels of those. They have those arches of all those lights, but make it like into a maze where you have to like running around and trying to. That would be cool.
That'd be cute. Yeah, lots of ideas. Lots of things they can do
Yeah,
to
but I
expand.
think it's definitely worth it. But the problem is it's so kind of far out.
I mean, well, it depends on where you're coming from.
Yeah.
If it's not that big of a deal, you can make a nice little weekend trip out of it.
I still think 7. 7 needs better bathrooms, more amenities. But it's there.
But it's a
It's going.
start.
It's going.
Yeah,
Worth it.
yeah. I agree. 7's good. 7 cookies.
All right.
All right. Until the next treat.